Hey everybody, fun science video for you. So today we're getting started on a new unit, and we're going to be talking a lot about layers of the atmosphere, and we're going to be talking about air pressure and some other things like that. And I thought we'd do a fun little demonstration to kind of get us started on this. So I have here a glass full of water, and I have just a normal index card, okay? And what I'm going to do is, here's a glass, by the way, without any water in it, but I'm going to just kind of use this glass to show you what I'm going to do so I don't preview what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this index card and I'm going to put it on top of that water, and I'm going to put my hand here like this, and I'm going to turn the cup over. And when I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this hand, but I'm going to be holding the cup right here. And when I remove my hand, I want you to predict what you think is going to happen when I do that. So go ahead and make a prediction and freeze the video. Okay, I'm back. And so hopefully you wrote down your prediction of what you think is going to happen. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually try to do this. So, and we're going to see what actually happens. So I'm going to go ahead and put the index card here. Okay. And I know a lot of you in your prediction, you think something's going to happen that might require me to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and move that over just in case you're right. All right, but here we go. We're going to go ahead and flip the cup over. Okay, and I'm going to very, very carefully remove my hand. And this is what actually happens. So right now you're going to make a prediction. What could possibly be holding that card to that cup? Go ahead and make your prediction. Freeze the video. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you have a prediction, all right, written down. So in class, we'll just talk about what some of your predictions are. But for those of you who are just watching my video, I'm just going to tell you that you should have probably wrote that air pressure must be the thing that's actually holding the card there. And there must be enough air pressure to hold that there, but we don't really think of there being a lot of pressure in the air, but there's a lot of pressure. But here's another question. I wonder what would happen if we did that same thing at a higher elevation. So right now, first of all, write down on your paper, how do you think air pressure changes with higher elevation? Go ahead and freeze the video and write your answer down to that. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully your class just came up with the fact that you think that it would be lower, the higher elevation, the lower the pressure would be. And you'd be right. And so we might predict that if I did this same demonstration at a higher elevation, there may or may not be enough air pressure to hold that card there. That'd be a fun thing to try at a higher elevation if you ever go someplace, and maybe you're in Colorado skiing or something, or you go someplace on a family vacation and you're at this higher elevation. Take a cup and see if it actually works at a higher elevation as well. But this was just a fun thing to get you started into thinking a little bit about this next unit. And what you're going to need to do right now is today, the rest of today is about getting ready for this new unit. And so what you're going to need to do, okay, is you're going to need to do an assignment that Mr. Callahan has for you, and he'll show that to you in class right now. But you're going to need to do an assignment to get us ready for some things we're doing next week with the atmosphere and layers of the atmosphere. So hope you enjoyed the science video. Have a nice day, everybody.